the right plantain. You fry it until it turns brown. I'm adding my stock for the rice. Depends on the quantity. My ginger seasoner, my stock cube, extra onion. Adding it to give you the color you add according to the size of the food, so it will not be too dark. Now add my purple, add little salt on it, and a little vegetable oil. Very little, because you're going to fry the vegetable with butter oil. This is the Caribbean rice ingredients. This is the vegetables. Sweet corn is here, red pepper, yellow pepper, green pea, green beans, bacon beans, carrots, all peas. This all ingredients for it. Vegetable. This fried plantain, pipe one. You fried it to golden brown. This roasted chicken, I roast it. You can fry it to this color to golden brown too. This is a sauce. This sauce. This is a sauce. I have my leek celery. I have my onion. This is my non-cube, ginger, my butter, or you can use a butter. Add my Caribbean rice. Add a little onion. This is a nut salad, cabbage with nuts. So Caribbean rice served with nut salad.